What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. We're just going to be taking a look at the technicals. We'll be talking about the fundamentals as well. I think they're important to talk about, and there have been some important fundamental, at least economic developments as well. So I'll tell you about that. I'll tell you about the effects. So let's get right into it. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. Happy New Year in advance. Obviously, but if you take a look at Ethereum right now, I mean, volume is dropping a little bit. We were pretty bullish yesterday, but we weren't as bullish and as volatile as Bitcoin. So now it's dropping. It's the weekend, volume is going to drop. Market is not going to move a lot. All right. So the main thing right now is yesterday with and the bullish fundamentals I was talking about is the dollar strength index, which is, most of you know, negatively correlated with crypto. This went down quite a bit from Thursday to Friday, so that's why we received some more bullish momentum. We didn't get a bullish breakout, and right now the tough thing is that you can clearly see our main resistance level is 1200 and 1195. It's a pretty strong level, so we need some momentum to actually break through that, and you could say that this trend line is some momentum, but with the volumes dropping, usually the price reacts a little bit less to trend line. So right now it's I would say still the most likely scenario is for this weekend, because we will get some more big moves next week, and those I do think are more likely to be bullish like this. But until that time, and I think this is the case because I expect the dollar strength index to fall even more. You can see that we we might open bullish, but in the end this is a very bearish market structure. Also, if you zoom out to the daily, and it isn't looking like it's stopping yet. So that's why I think we can get that bullish breakout. But now, obviously, for the next few days, because I don't think there will be a lot of volume Monday, the question is, can we already do something like this now? So break above 1200. And I think the answer is no. I think the resistance level there is too strong, and I don't think we're going to react to these trend lines. Which also means we're not reacting that much to this bearish trend line, but yeah, it has its benefits and its disadvantages. I think we'll drop down. I think we'll drop down to this level here at 1180, maybe even a little bit lower towards 1170, 1175. We'll consolidate here, and then when the volume picks up again early next week, we will probably get a big institutional, big money or market maker move, and I'll be back with an update on that, but I expect that to be bullish. But until that time, I mean, in the weekend, I cannot make it better than it is. We'll just consolidate. There's probably not going to be a lot of volume. The only thing that could really happen is that we drop down even further towards 1150 in the case that we get bad news, all right? Which bad news can happen at any time. Could also happen in the weekend. So, but for now, I mean, to be really precise, to try to be really precise, there's like a small chance we'll break above 1200 right now. If that happens, we'll just do something like this, and then beginning of next week do something like this. So go up to 1225, and before that consolidate just on top of 1200. I think it's more likely though that right now we'll consolidate between 1180 and 1200, and then early next week we'll get a big move. I expect that to be bullish. We'll break above 1200, get towards 1220. So that's my take on Ethereum for now, but obviously I'll be back with more updates when needed. So for now, take care. Happy New Year again, and bye.